In this video, we'll walk you through the navigation improvements in the Gantt module. We're now on the new homepage. It serves as a central entry point where you can create project boxes and objectives, quickly access modules, and pin your most used modules to the top navigation bar. Below that, you'll find a list of the most recent boxes you visited and 2 reports, boxes by status and OKRs by status. Finally, you'll see a list of boxes that you can filter by all, starred, or assigned to you. Let's open the Gantt module. The first thing you'll notice is the redesigned top bar. We've maximized the space for your task structure and Gantt timeline, giving you a clear view of your project plan. Starting on the left, you'll find the scenario feature. Use it to test different variants of your plan, compare results, and confidently find the best path forward before committing. Next is the column view dropdown, where you can switch between different views of your data for greater flexibility. All task-related actions are now centrally grouped under the Tasks menu. Here you can create new Jira work items or big picture tasks, adjust the scope of the current box, and perform many other task management actions. The View menu is your dedicated control center for displaying and organizing your data, allowing for efficient navigation and analysis. Options include structure settings such as expand by levels, group, sort, and default task order. The new task structure option for quick access to task structure settings in the box configuration. Layout settings, task labels, and dependencies. Enabling the editor slider and resources panel. All planning indicators are now collected under the Indicators menu, allowing you to control what is displayed on the Gantt timeline, including baselines, markers, time boxes, parent task conflicts, critical path, and overdue tasks. On the right, you'll find search and filtering tools. Right above the Gantt timeline, you'll find additional customization buttons for easy, granular adjustments to the view. Use the wrench icon to access your global and personal settings immediately. You have 2 quick ways to open the box configuration, either under the wrench icon or using the dedicated box configuration button just below the module list. That's the redesigned Gantt navigation. By bringing all key features and controls within easy reach, we help you plan, track, and manage your work faster and more efficiently than ever before.